Welcome to the Buy Nothing Rebellion. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 things that I'm never buying again. Woodworking can get real expensive real fast. After years in my wood shop and buying tools that I regret buying and buying tools that I wish I'd bought sooner, let's talk about 5 of them and how not buying them can save you money. Number 1, disposable sanding blocks. I used to buy these because I thought they were convenient, I thought they would last, and I thought they would be good for projects. Turns out they don't last, they clog up real easy, they actually tear if you're sanding an edge, and once they're torn, you're into the foam and they're just garbage. I don't buy those anymore. If you're like me, I'm sure you have some sticks laying around the shop in your scrap bin or some popsicle sticks that you can buy at your local craft store. Instead, pick up some contact cement and some Velcro and Velcro up a couple of sticks. Then you can very easily take your hook and loop sandpaper and apply whatever grit you want, write your grits on the back, and there you go. You've got a nice sanding solution that fits in tight places, and you can change the grit to suit your need, and they'll last a lot longer. Speaking of sandpaper, I don't buy Festool branded sandpaper anymore for my Festool sander. I buy Serious Grit sandpaper. No, I'm not sponsored. These are about 40-45 cents a sheet, whereas Festool sandpaper is about $1 a sheet, depending on where you buy it and how much you can get. This sandpaper works just as good and lasts just as long, and it's just as disposable as expensive sandpaper. So if you look around, you can even find sandpaper that'll fit your Festool sander that's 20 cents a sheet. Number 2, branded tool stands. Everywhere you go, people want to sell you a specific kind of stand for a tool that you just bought, and honestly, I'm tired of it. They come in pre-formatted sizes that don't fit my shop. It's easy enough to find some old cabinets that somebody wants to get rid of, base cabinets. They're great and put them right on the floor. You drop a few sheets of MDF on top, and with a deck of playing cards, you can level it such that you've got a dead flat work surface to work from. And when this surface wears out, pull out some screws, either flip it or rotate the sheet for a new one, and you're back in business. No more of this prefab stand stuff. Number 3, specialty clamps that only do one thing. They seem like a good idea at the time, and yeah, when you're doing that one thing, they might help, but honestly, I don't need them. Instead, I've built a collection of affordable and good clamps that work for my needs, and I find that pipe clamps work best for me. When I'm not using these, all these ends come off and go in a 5-gallon bucket, and the pipes get stacked in another 5-gallon bucket. It's out of the way, I don't have to build expensive clamp storage, and I've got an infinite selection of clamping opportunities that didn't cost me a ton of money. Number 4, overpriced finishes. Yeah, tung oil's nice, and yeah, it's expensive at times, and yeah, you got to reapply it every 3 or 4 months to keep it looking nice. I don't need that. And expensive European finishes that come in tiny little jars and they say will go a long way, but good luck trying to get good performance out of these. I don't need that either. Give me a de-waxed shellac any day and some cheap, affordable polyurethane top coat, flat or satin finish for things like tables, picture frames, and that sort of stuff. And number 5, trendy shop gadgets, like this little guy that'll set you back a Ben Franklin if you're not careful. These things, if you're like me and you like to put everything in your shop on magnets, prepare for more disappointment after you drop your $100, because there's nothing magnetic about these. They're made out of cheap aluminum, which, that's right, first time you drop them, they're no longer accurate. I don't need those. That square from the big box store that cost me $7, it's dead square. And if I drop it and bend it, I'll get another one. Same goes for these kinds of accessory kits that you see in videos and you think, oh, I need one of those. This has been in a cabinet of mine for 2 years and I haven't opened it yet. Odds are, I don't need that either. So there you go. 5 things I'll never buy again. And it's not about being cheap. It's about being smart. Because the best investment you can make in your shop is your skill and your experience. A good woodworker can do great things with practically any tool. More tools don't make you a better woodworker, and expensive tools certainly don't make you a better woodworker. So if you found this video helpful and you're part of the Never Buy Rebellion, drop a comment below and let us know what it is that you're not buying for your shop anymore. And if you found value in this, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps me out. So that's it for me, friends. Until next time, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.